Evaluate integral of square root over 16 minus 25x square dx. So here formulas. So first formula I am going to integral of square root over a square minus x square dx. Formula is x upon 2 as it is. We are going to write a square minus x square. Here you have to check it, a square quotient positive or negative. Positive means plus a square upon 2 x negative sine inverse x upon a plus c. So this is a formula. Here just remember sir, some concept is there. What is that? X positive, x positive, x positive. What you can write? Cos h inverse. X negative, sin h, sin inverse x. A and x both positive, sin h inverse x. This is a concept I used to remember sir. Clear? So see that sir here, x negative or positive? Negative. X negative, sin inverse. Remaining half of the x, a square half. And as it is a square minus x square. I used to remember like this. This is a shortcut. Otherwise I will make one more video on the formulas how to remember. Okay? Right. Just comment me. So if you want to know the formulas how to remember in easy way. Now, so here the given question solution. So given question, let I am taking I is the integral of square root over 16 minus 25 x square dx. So in order to get the formula, in the formula x square quotient is 1. So in order to get the 1, I am going to take the common 25. What is the remaining? 16 upon 25 minus x square dx. Now, what is the square root of 25? 5. That is a constant. Write down outside the integration. Square root over 16 by 25, it can be written as 4 upon 5 whole square minus x square dx. It is in the form of a square. In place of a 4 upon 5, in place of x, x is there. So what is the formula? X upon 2. So x upon 2 as it is. Square root over 4 upon 5 whole square minus x square plus half of the a square by 2. What is that? 4 upon 5 whole square by 2. Then sine inverse x value x only upon a 4 upon 5 plus c. Now 5 times x upon 2 square root over, if you simplify, 16 upon 25 minus x square. Here 16 upon 25 upon 2 sine inverse, this will 5 will go to the numerator, 5x upon 4 plus c. Now 5 times x upon 2, if you do the LCM, so 16 minus 25 x square, square root over 25 directly writing 5 plus 16 divided by 25 2 ja 50 sine inverse 5x upon 4 plus c. Now I am going to multiply with this 5 each term in the bracket. So then what will get here? X upon 2, this 5 get cancelled, square root over 16 minus 25x square plus 5 1 ja 5 10 ja. So 16 upon 10 sine inverse 5x upon 4 plus c. Now here x upon 5 square root over 16 minus 25x square, 2 8 ja 2 5 ja 8 upon 5 sine inverse 5x upon 4 plus c. This is our answer. Evaluate integral of square root over 16 minus 25x square dx. Already we discussed in the previous, but we're using one more formula. In that some of the students, they will feel more steps. So in order to get simple simplification, we are doing again the problem in another method. Formula. So integral of square root over a square minus nx whole square dx. Nx whole square dx. See that now. What is the formula? Same formula here. Just now we discussed no, x upon 2 square root over nx upon 2 square root over a square minus nx whole square plus a square upon 2 x negative no sine inverse x upon a value x by a plus c. But here internally derivative of d by dx of nx value how much? N no. So you will write 1 upon n in front of that. We are going to multiply. Means divided only. So 1 by n. Clear all of you? So nx is there. See that sir? Solution. Integral of square root over 16 minus 25x square dx. This I am taking I integral. Okay. Now I is equals to integral of 16. It can be written as 4 square. 25x square it can be written as 5x whole square dx. Any doubt? Here now it is in the form of a square minus nx whole square. What is the formula? First of all, x by 2 means 5x upon 2 square root over as it is 4 square minus 5x whole square plus a square 4 square upon 2 sine inverse x 5x upon 4 plus c. But what I said, internally derivative of d by dx of 5x 5. That 5 are going to divide 1 by 5. Clear? So I am going to multiply each term in the bracket. This 5 get cancelled. X upon 2 square root over 4 square minus 5x whole square plus 16 upon 2 sine inverse 5x upon 4 plus c. Now x upon 2 square root over 16, 4 square 16, 5x whole square 25x square, 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja. So when you multiply 5 here, you will get 5 into no? 5 into. So 1 8 upon 5 sine inverse 5x upon 4 plus c. This is the answer. See that sir, in this one you will get how many steps sir? Hardly 3 steps. In the previous, see that sir, how many steps you got it? So which is the easier? You can go through that sir. Which is the easier? You can go through that. Clear all of you? In both cases we got same answer only. See that x upon 2 square root over. So here what we have done? The internally differentiation we multiply. Clear? This is the question. So which is the easier? You can go through that one. Thank you.